Everything you do make me wanna smile.
No, but you won't let me. You upset me, girl, and then you kiss my lips. All of a sudden I forget that I was upset. I can't remember what you did, but I hate it.
You know exactly what to do, so that I can't stay mad at you for too long. That's wrong,
but I hate it. You know exactly how to touch, so that I don't wanna fuss and fight no more. Said I despise, yet I adore you.
and I hate how much I love you, boy. I can't stand how much I need you.
I need you.
And I hate how much I love you, boy. But I just can't let you go. And I hate that I love you so.
And you completely know the power that you have. The only one that makes me laugh.
Sad and it's not fair how you take advantage of the fact that I love you beyond the reason why. And it just ain't right.
And I hate how much I love you, girl. I can't stand how much I need you. And I hate how much I love you, girl. But I just can't let you go. But I hate that I love you so.
One of these days, maybe your magic won't affect me, and your kiss will make me weak.
But no one in this world knows me the way you know me. So you'll probably always have a spell on me. Yeah. Ooh. Yeah, 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 yeah.
'Cause how much I love you,
How much I need you.
how much I need
How
you,
much I love you. Oh, I need you.
how much I need
I
you.
need you.
And I hate that I love you so. And I hate how much I love you, boy. I can't stand how much I need you.
How much
And I hate how much I love you,
yeah.
but I just can't let you go.
But I just can't let go.
And I hate that I love you so.
No.
And I hate that I love you so, so.
I'm standing on the edge of the industry, wondering if it's all that important.